entre las asistencias era Ángelo Caro, quien terminaba por quedar bastante dolido. Por otro lado, viendo justamente la repetición, ¿no? Iba un poco alta la rodilla. No sé quién se termina por llevar el golpe. Lo cierto es que los dos continúan tendidos en el terreno de juego. Esperemos.
De verdad es que ni siquiera he visto el tráiler del mundial. ¿Lo vemos de una vez? El tráiler del mundial yo no lo vi, güey. ¿No lo vi? ¿Ustedes lo vieron? Yo no. Hoy en el entrenamiento Ronnie estaba pensando que me volvía loca, güey. Estábamos entrenando y acababa yo de hacer algo y yo ¡ah! Le hacía... Gracias.
See, I've heard you can't smoke it, like, obviously, that's, like, kind of a given, but... She's hot. Hold on. Oh my god, okay. She's hot, Shirley. She's encountered... But if you want nice tea, it's a necessity. Hi, Ballpark, how are you? Farming simulator, that'll be fun. Hi, who dat? Ew! Actually, it wasn't that bad. I thought I feel like a sneeze. Achoo! 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 Oh my god! I just fucking died. Work tonight, Achoo! 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 Oh my god! Achoo! Sorry, the last one was really dramatic. It just like I don't know, is that too? Nah. You know? Thank you. In hindsight, now that I'm reevaluating it, great. 3 kills or what? Oh, I don't think I got 3 kills, to be honest with you. Next hit, boys. Exactly. Exactly. Get involved in it. Oh, excuse me. Zeph a red flag?
Bless you.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, okay. All right.
They came here on a boat.
It's a bit fishy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Speedboat.
bless you. Thank you.
He's got a gun.
Janie's got a Let's take him out.
Cards right. We can.
I'll take it. I don't know how I managed to set myself on fire.
You hit the bug came up to you.
That just seems like a massive
Airstrike
flaw.
on
It's me. It's me. Hi.